Hello and welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make a passion curd that all you need are just a few ingredients. You're going to need some sugar, some passion fruit, the pulp that is, some eggs, and later on we're going to use some margarine or butter. All you're going to need is to make sure that you whisk these three ingredients together: the sugar, the passion, and the eggs. Once you whisk them together, make sure that you're using a heat-proof bowl. That is something that is not going to burn on contact with heat. And we're going to use a double boiler to make sure that we cook these eggs to a safe point, because you can't eat raw eggs, right? So we're placing this on a double boiler. Make sure that the hot water does not touch the bowl, because then that will cook your eggs way too fast, and then you're going to have scrambled passion eggs, and that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a silky smooth passion curd. And you're going to whisk this for about 10 minutes until the passion curd resembles what can you say, uji? Yeah, it looks sort of like uji. It's thick like that. And then you're going to strain the hot passion curd onto another bowl that has margarine, and the heat from the passion curd is just going to melt the margarine, and the margarine just helps the passion curd just become so silky and smooth on your tongue, and it is absolutely delicious. You can make curd with any citrus fruit, very tart oranges or lemon or lime or passions. I've made this with lemons. The first time I made this with lemons, but then my in-laws have a passion farm, so I've been making passion curd recently, and it packs such a punch. It is so delicious. And the next thing that we're going to do is to cover this with a cling film. Make sure that the cling film is touching the passion curd all the way around, because when a custard like this cools, it creates a layer at the top, and then now you have like a chunky curd, and that's not what we want. We want something smooth and decadent and delicious. And so now this morning I just mixed it all together, and look at how smooth that is. That is exactly what you want. Beautiful. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. And then I bought a cake so that I could make some passion and strawberry cake, and what a disappointment. Look at that, guys, this is so bad. Anyway, I licked my wounds and made some tea for breakfast, and this combination was so good. The hot tea in July with the passion curd bread and the fruit, such a punch. Anyway, I hope you try this, and if you've enjoyed this video, consider giving us a like down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. It helps to grow our channel so that we can bring you more recipes. And if you found this video helpful, hey, share it with a friend. Sharing is caring. Anyway, watch more videos right here, and I'll see you in the next one.